I am not saying that carnivore is for everyone, and I am not proposing that you stay on carnivore forever. What I am proposing is just to start with the first step, which is giving yourself 90 days of your whole life to see what can happen when you eat the proper human diet. After the 90 days, we can discuss in a different video ways of adding to your diet, perhaps some vegetables, modify the carnivore diet with the ketogenic diet. There are many options for you. But what is more important is that after you complete the 90 days that will change your life forever, chances are you're not going to want to go back. But if you do, you have options, smart options. But what I guarantee you is that it's never going to be an option for you to go back to what it was. Take it from me. I was 25 pounds heavier. I had Hashimoto disease. I had, all this is in the past, a big problem with psoriasis, mental fog, low energy, joint pain, arthritis. And now I'm like a newborn. And this is no joke. I wish I could have started before it was too late for me. I thought I was in a hole. And you probably know what I'm talking about. You probably are there, or you wouldn't be watching this video. So the most important side of any change is your mental state, your conditioning to watch what you believe and the reasons why you are going to make those changes. Sometimes we just jump into a change because we feel that we need it, but we don't know. It's like Alice in Wonderland when she gets to the fork in the road and is like, where are you going? I don't know where I'm going. Then take one or the other, because if you don't know where you are going, they are both going to take you somewhere. But you don't know if that is hell or heaven, right? But the most important part is that if we don't know where we are going, we cannot get there. So when you decide to change your life, you have to write down the reasons why you want to change your life. But more important than finding the reasons why you want to change is to draw a clear picture of how it's going to feel when you get there. I want you to picture yourself with a flat stomach, with those pounds gone, going up the stairs without losing your breath. I want you to think about a new you, an energized you, a healthier you. And you need to have that light at the end of the tunnel as your guidance. That is primordial. The reasons why you want to change: your family, grandchildren, yourself, which that is the best reason, because if you do it for yourself, you don't depend on anybody else's approval. We sometimes do it because we want the approval of a partner, because we want to look prettier. Let's get real. Age is age, and we're not going to look younger at 60 unless we get surgery, but we can feel younger. We can be the best version of ourselves. There are things that make us look older than we should, and pounds are one of those. I tell you, this diet is going to change your life. And it's all about commitment. It's not about, some people believe that you have to have a strong will, and you, if you fail, it's just because you're not strong enough, and that is BS. Action promotes and create motivation. You don't need motivation to create action, because if you need motivation to create actions, guess what? You are never going to do it. You're never going to be motivated. You need to start doing, and motivation comes as a result of doing. And that is a fact. There is three, I spoke about this before, norepinephrine, acetylcholine, and dopamine circuits, that those are what we need to break. Like the norepinephrine, we need to break, is the neurochemical that is going to make us go like, I don't want to do this, just go to the fridge, get that snack. So the only way for the brain to reduce that is by not giving up to it. So the brain rewrites your so-called will. Said, okay, she really means let's help her. She means that she wants to change. Let's help her. So without having the right mindset, chances are that you're going to start, but you are not going to break the threshold of your homeostasis. Homeostasis is the place in which we feel safe. We don't have to change. We are comfortable. What we call the comfort zone. So the very first step to start any diet is mindset. So grab a notebook. Let's get clear on what we want. Clarity is force in your life. Sorry, I'm thirsty. So yes, we're gonna start by writing down, why are we doing it? What is it we are after? And we are going to watch the language we use. We are not going to go, we are not going to use absolutely any negatives. It's all going to be in positives. We're not going to say, I don't want to. We're going to reinforce what we want to. I want energy. I want to go hiking with my grandchild or my son. I want to go back to school, so I will have mental clarity. I describe yourself as the ideal that you are after. And you are going to read that every day. And that is why you are going to do it. That is what you're after. So you are not going to think about the necessary steps to get there. You're going to think and focus about getting there. And I hope this makes sense for you, because it's super important. The steps are not important. If you focus that you have to wake up early, if you focus about having to get changed, and if you have focus on having to go to the gym, that is a drag and does not help you. What you have to envision is what you are after. Only then you can say no to what doesn't serve you. That is no longer who I am. That's not me. Thank you very much. And I guarantee you, and I promise you, that it might take you 3 days, a week, or 5 weeks. We are all different. We are in a different metabolic state. We are in a different place in life. We have different stress levels. We have different motivations. We might live alone and be able to empty the fridge and only have the things we need. Or we might live with children that they just cause us many reasons to just go and make it easy to go and break what can change your life. And on that depends your longevity. So I think that for now, this is a very good start for you to swallow and digest. That your mind is gonna ride you unless you ride your mind. And what I mean is that it's like a wild horse. So we need to start by getting on it and really learning how to control it, so we can guide it to where we want to go without many hiccups. Then there is what you're going to eat, which is at the beginning and for 90 days, beef, water, and salt. Trust me, those cravings you can't get rid of, the food noise, the constant thinking about what are you going to snack on, what are you going to eat next, those are going to be quiet. They are going to be silence. It's going to be fantastic. It's a feeling that it's a relief. You don't have to live that way, but you have to give it time. And once you start seeing the results, once you start feeling the results, there you have all you need in your life. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say for now. So I really want to wish you a Merry Christmas, and I will say goodbye the way I always go. I love you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.